So I first met Douglas about 3 years ago, a young little Gen Y hawker who just decided to do it, just winged it, and he opened Fishball Story, a little fishball noodle stall. And he came up to me a little shivery and nervous and asked me for opinion. And I said, you don't have to be nervous, just ask people what they think about your food and you'll be surprised. People give you a lot of good advice. And later on, he came on board and attended Makansutra's Street Food Pro 360 course, where it's a little course for hawkers, and we don't just teach people to cook. We teach them about social media, presentation, demographics, heritage of the dish, showmanship, photography, and style. And over the years, he's grown, has developed, he's adapted a lot of what we taught him. But I have a question for him. Is he a hawker or is he a businessman? Let's find out. You know, firstly, congratulations, you've come a long way. First time you gave me a little bowl and then you asked for your opinion. Now you are talking about business, franchises, expansion. So who are you, a businessman or are you a hawker?
I think I'm a businessman that understands what the hawkers are facing. I think my heart is a hawker, but my brain is a businessman.
What are the issues that you face as a businessman that tears you apart? You've got to make a decision that will affect operation. You worry about operation and yet it will affect business.
When I was as a hawker myself, I got not much stress because I just do my things every day. But now it's different. I worry about where this brand will go. How can I let my staff improve, have prospect for them? So all this, I think, is my worry. We are sticking to tradition. We are still going to handmade our products. We are still going to use quality fish. Nothing to do with fish paste or flour. And that's where I think the hawker part of me is still.
So are you giving less attention to your food?
I wouldn't say that we have lost more attention to our food. I still QC every time, every day in fact. Make sure that my fishball, fish cake product are doing well.
What are the most irritating problems that crop up, bite you every day?
I think labor is the most difficult part that we have faced. We see so many phone calls, so 8 of them actually say, okay, we are coming down for interview tomorrow, but none of them turn up.
And then here's a guy who's offering $80 to $100 per day.
That's right, that's right.
That's the kind of, that's big money. Besides social media, where are the other avenues for you to get your feet into this world of business, not just Singapore world?
I think when we come to it, we need to really understand what the younger generation want. It's not about just traditional food, we have to slowly evolve. Singapore food heritage is so unique today, and this is what I'm really proud of to be in. And I think that this Singapore food heritage should not be just about having it here in Singapore. It's about introducing it to the world.
What would you do differently if I rewind you back then?
I wouldn't have changed a single thing, honestly speaking. I would have earlier find a mentor for myself. I think it's very important to have a good mentor to guide us, to share everything with you, like what I'm doing now. So we should really guide the young people. And I think that if I have that kind of guidance...
You regret you didn't have somebody up there to tell you... Okay, we got your idea now.
Yeah.
Okay, congratulations, my friend, well done. And I hope that your fishball story will be a story that the world will know.
Yeah.
Because storytelling is very important in the world of seafood business. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Sito.
It's bold, it's savory, it's spicy, intensely umami. Some like it with a tinge of sourness, some like the plain Jaina. But all this falls within the parameters of an authentic bowl of mee pok ta. Well done, Douglas.